I think I'm the first one here because it's a surprise live. Nobody knows about it. Totally random. So let's see if I'm going to be the only one here forever or if other people are going to join us. Oh, it's warm up here. So let's see. If you are here, please jump in and say something in the chat so I know you're here. Looks like people are starting to jump on. People are getting their notifications. Hi, Margaret. Hi, Jane. Hello. Hello. Hi. Let's see who else is coming. I know it was kind of a surprise. Hi, Sherry in Nashville. Hi, Ruth Debbie. Hi, Patricia. Hi, Dawn. Hello. Hi, Lisa. Hello. Hi, Dawn. Jane Johnson is in Florida. Hello. So I'm just jumping on really quick because we just released the brand new items on the website. And I wanted to show them to you live because I want them to make more sense. Of course, this is going to start it out. My hat that I wear when I go out on the patio that I bought for my dad that I kept. So let's see. Hi, Margie. Hello. Hi, Susie NCT. Susie in Connecticut. I love it. Hi, Janice in Texas. Hi, Lisa Bill Cody in San Antonio. Hi, Dawn. She was watching other videos. I love it. Hi, Sonia in Pasadena, California. Surprise. Yes, this is a surprise. Surprise live release. I don't know if you've been to the website yet. We just released the brand new items and the club set. And I thought I should jump on really quick. Boys are here, so this is going to be very fast. But I just wanted to jump in and show you the new releases. One of the items I'm worried is going to confuse you. And that's really why I wanted to do this also, so you could see the differences. So hi, Sharon in Michigan. Hi, Diane in Florida. Hi, Heather in Arizona. Hello. So we're going to wait a couple more seconds here because people have to get the announcements. I'm actually here in a really weird time, so I totally get that. Hi, Heather in Arizona. Hi, Diane in Florida. Hi, Sonia. She says she's actually organizing all her folder dies. Yay! Yay, yay, yay. Yay, yay, yay. So let's see. Let's see if we can find some more peeps. I don't know if it looks like I'm on YouTube and Facebook. I hope I hit all the right buttons. I know this is a totally random time. Hi, Crafty Chris. Hello. If somebody wants to post really quick in the fan page on Facebook that I'm live, I'd really appreciate it. Hi, Diane. Hi, Shirley. Shirley says she loves the new set. So she's already over there checking it out. Awesome. I'm really excited about this one because it's a little different for us. Betsy says she doesn't have power. Oh, yikes. Yikes. Stay safe. Hi, Carol, my dear. Hi, Pam in West Michigan. Hi, Betsy. Hi, Diane. Okay, well, I'm wearing my hat because it kind of makes sense, right? You know, the whole, what is she doing here? Hi, Dee in Washington. We just released a brand new set, and I know a lot of you are just on the website and not even paying attention to my video, which I totally get it. We do have the bundle on the website, just a heads up. But let me show you the newest release, and then I'm going to show you all the add-ons because I want you to be able to see the add-ons. So that club set, it's not in the bundle because club members are automatically getting it, right? The club set is the trucker hat, hence the hat on Stephanie's head. Now, you could call this also a baseball cap. Absolutely. We called it trucker hat because girls are now into trucker hats. And some of the samples that you haven't seen in the video are here because they got here late. So I'm going to show them to you right now. But so we did this because now you can go to stores, and I haven't gotten to do this yet and I can't wait. You can go to stores and customize your hat. And I think that's so cool. So all the things that I'm showing you are things you could customize a real hat with if you wanted to. Ellen says she just got her bundle. Her niece is going to love this set so much. Yay! Shirley said she posted it on the Facebook page. Thank you. Pam already got the bundle. Yay! Ruth Debbie got the bundle. Hi, Carol in Monterey, California. Hi, Shelly. So here it is. Oh, this is the club set. And you have Stay Cool, Boss Babe, Just Breathe, Coffee Please, Good Vibes Only. And you have the cute little peace sign and the little patch to add on. Now, of course, diehard club members, you're getting the dies that match, inside and outside dies. You're getting the patch and these little pieces to die cut those other pieces. Look at that little tiny lightning bolt. So that is club. This is club. Club is getting this. Now, add-ons are in part of the bundle, or you can buy them separately. They are on flash sale. Okay, they are on flash sale. So we have Chill, Birthday Girl, Birthday Boy, Think Positive, Pool Please, It's a Vibe, which I like, Beach Please, And then this is probably one of my favorite ones. It took me a while to get this one done right. But you know how I always go like this? That's what that is. Isn't that cool? I love that. I was so excited when I finally got that one done. It took me a long time. I don't know why. A little rainbow, which is really cute. Cute little hearts. Another patch size piece. Now, these you don't have to put necessarily on the hat. But yes, they do fit on the hat, right? Yes, they do fit on the hat. But then, of course, we have all the icons that go with it, right? So these are add-ons, that all these pieces that go on with it, right? So they match. Now, some of the inside dies on here, I recommend just die cutting if you want to. I don't think you should stamp and die cut with the little tiny ones unless you're using the shadow dies, okay? Just a heads up on that. Ellen says, I couldn't believe how many add-ons. I know, because look, I just couldn't stop. So then, and this is where I'm worried you're going to get confused. These are the add-ons for the club set, right? But there's add-ons for, wait for it, the trucker hat. Fold it. Check out this fold it. It didn't all fit on the card, you guys. Look, there's this extra chain to go on the front to make it more girly. And then you're getting like all these extra layering pieces. So there's all these extra layering pieces in there. Now, to match this, oh, and it comes with the lightning bolt and it comes with the USA flag. Now, there's icons also for that. This is where I'm worried you're going to get confused. And I had them add the word large so you would know. But there are icons for the little hats. There are also icons for the bigger hats. Now, if you only get one thing, you have to get this one. Because this is all the icons that you're going to use on all your cards, not just hat cards, right? Because look, you got the perfect rainbow sizes. I did a lot of things in 2 sizes on this one. So we got the 2 rainbow sizes. We have the happy faces, different versions. This shadow die works on this one. The shadow die also works on the peace symbol. You have the hearts. You have the checkered heart there. You have the cute little flower, and you have a bigger piece. So look at the difference on the size, you guys. This is so you can see the difference. There is a massive difference in size. Don't also forget double-sided. Dies on both sides. Dies on. This is a massive set. This is a massive big set. Hi, Jeanette in Missouri. Hi, Ivy in Hawaii. Hi, Cynthia. Yeah, so this, you're going to use it. This is like perfect for the 70s if you're doing a 70s themed card. Oh, and then yes, of course, there is one. Barely made this in time. Barely got this done in time. Stencil. And I added the little coffee cup and the little checkered heart and a little happy face. Got the lightning bolt on there. But yes, there is a stencil, rest assured. Now, really quick, I'm going to show you some samples. There's a cute one. Look at that chain using the glitter paper. Isn't that cool? Boss Babe. Look at the inside. Isn't that adorable? I love that. I love that. Ellen says that's a massive set. I know. Seriously, huh? Now, here is another one. Let's Celebrate You, using the Cupcake Delight and the sayings for cake. Look at that. Oh, and the letters for letter tray. Isn't that cute? Love that. So some of these you might not see in the video because some of them got to me a little late. Ooh, here's a cute one. Look at this. Using our tag holder die set. Look at that. Birthday boy. Give them a gift card. This is using our tag holder. So cute. And using the stencil. So much easier, right? Here's a cute one. Coffee, please. Coffee, please. Hi, Jules. Hello. Wendy says bundle has both small icons, what icons? They're different sizes. So look, so this one, the small one is for the little hats. The big one is for the big hats or anything else. So they are much larger. So there's like, hang on, let's see, if we can find one that's the same. So look at the rainbows. Look at the rainbows in the little one and look at the rainbows on the big one. So 3 different sizes of rainbows. See that? So they are much, much larger. Hi, Shanika. Hello. So, I don't know. Did I show you this one? Okay. Coffee, please. Love that. Here's a cute one. You are a superstar. Look at that. That's just using the icons. Yes, both of these are in the bundle, Wendy. Yes, both are in the bundle. Both are in the bundle. Okay. You guys get ready. Hang on. Okay. Here's a cute one using our crisscross. Look at that. How fun is that, right? Love that. That's a sneak peek. Maybe I'll show you that in a second. I just grabbed a whole bunch really quick. So here's a cute one. Coffee, please. Life begins after coffee. Love it. Love it. Love it. I think I show. Oh, you might not have seen this one. Look how cute that one is. Love that rainbow. That rainbow, you guys. I'm freaking out about the rainbow. Look at that. I'm totally freaking out about that rainbow. Here, look at the wings. Look at the wings in glitter. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Oh, this one's cute. So it's girly and it's boy. So you can do girls or boys. That is up to you, right? You get to decide. I don't want you to think that this is a girly or a boy set. It's both. It is definitely both, right? Hi, Yvonne. Hello. Here. Oh, okay. Ready? Ready? Look at this, you guys. Look at that. My friend, you are so loved. Oh, you are loved. Look at that. Isn't that cool with the hands? Oh my goodness, you guys. You see everybody do this nowadays, right? Ah, now we have a die. I love it. And a stamp. There is a stamp also. There is a stamp also. Oh, Carol, I'm so sad you're going to miss it too. Okay, so here's another one. Look at this, you guys. Does it get more girly than that? Cheryl made this one. It does not get more girly than that. I love this one. Showing you how cute and girly it can be. I absolutely love that. So much fun. Shanika says cute cards. Hi, Trisha. Hello. Hi, Olivia. Somebody said they need the address to the store. It will be sent in your email. But really quick, it's 26081 Merit, MERIT Circle. And it's Suite 113 in Laguna Hills, California, 92653. So you'll have to rewind it up maybe to catch all that. Okay. This one might win for my favorite because it has nothing to do with hats, which is really weird, but I absolutely love it. Look at this. I told you those icons can be used for anything. Flower power, right? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I love that because it has nothing to do with hats on this one. It's like you can go the hat version or you can go the icon version. So cool. So cool. Now, I'm going to show you a sneak peek for the card kit. This is a big sneak peek because it's got a lot. I'm just going to show it to you really quick. If you're not in the card kit, get in now. Get in now. But I can't show you everything. So I'm just going to show you this. This is from the card kit. You are a cool friend. That is in the card kit. Let me just tell you, it's an awesome one. Now, last but not least, this one, and look how cute this is. Yvette made this one with the gift card inside. Is that the coolest thing ever? Isn't that cute? And it says pull, so you can pull the gift card out. This is back in stock. We just got more today back in stock, and they are on the website. So if you missed out on the cap and gown, you can get it now. It is now available on the website. Okay, really quick, I'm going to show you these again for those of you that just joined us. They're all on the website. They are shipping. Club shipments are going out early in the morning, like 1 a.m. This is, well, let me find it. All the other items besides the club stuff is on flash sale and the bundle. So there is the club set, trucker hat. There is the Die Hard set. That's the Die Hard set. Then, yes, there is a stencil, of course, right? You know me. Of course, there's going to be a stencil now. Yes, there are add-on stamps. Yes, there are add-on dies. Ding, ding, ding. And don't forget, the icons for the hat are much bigger than the icons for the little hat. This is for the folded and anything else. This is for the club set, okay? So I want you to see, look at the difference in the rainbows. Big difference. And then the heart with wings, there's a version there and there's a version there. Much bigger, right? Much bigger. There's the peace symbol. There's another peace symbol. These all were designed to go on the hat. These all were designed to go on the little hat. You can use them anywhere, but that's how I designed them. And then, of course, you're getting the trucker hat folded. Also, I want you to, and you know what? I'm going to have to open this one to show you because I want you to see you get a patch in this set. And look what I did to it. So this is the patch die. And hang on. Can you see those little lines in there? So that is going to look like stitch marks when you die cut this. See the little lines around this die? So that's going to look like stitch marks when you die cut it. That's in the folded. That is in the trucker hat folded. So, okay. Whoosh. Sorry. So fast, so quick. I just wanted to jump on really quick and tell you about the new stuff because it is on the website. I don't want you to miss out. If you are not in our Stamper Die Hard Club, join at least the stamps. It's what, $13.99 a month, and that includes the stamp set. Then you get the 15% discount off of the entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Also, if you are not on our Facebook fan page, the official Facebook Stamps of Life fan page, go check it out, because a bunch of lifers there, and they can answer any questions, and you can post your projects and have so much fun. Okay, I need to get out of here, my friends. Oh, Shirley's playing with the cap and gown right now. Yay. I need to get out of here. The boys are here and we're having a great time, but I just wanted to jump in, show you that, make sure you were able to get in on that. So all of you watching, you will have a chance to get everything. It's not going to sell out in the next hour, so you're good. But make sure you go get them while they're on flash sale. Okay, thanks so much, you guys. I will see you tomorrow night, normal time, normal everything, for Crafting Corner. Okay, thanks so much. Love you all. Bye-bye.